Forget the renos and forget the stress. This Ashcroft condo has been transformed from top to bottom. You just turn the key, unpack, and start living. I'm Kevin Scharfenberg, your local real estate expert, and I'm so excited to showcase Unit 103, 825 Hill Street. The location is fantastic if you have a small family. You've got the park just steps away. The school is just down the road. You have the outdoor pool over there, and you can walk down to Desert Hills. The property is also great for first-time homebuyers or snowbirds. Let's go have a look. The kitchen, you have updated cupboards with quartz countertops and a quartz backsplash, stainless steel appliances, a new microwave. You have filtered water for the fridge. You've got LED lighting throughout the whole house, and you have updated 100 amp electrical. On the main floor, you have 2 bedrooms and an updated 3-piece bathroom. You've got fresh paint throughout. You have a triple pane sliding glass door to the front. You have a triple pane window in the kitchen. You've got remote control blinds. This place has a new furnace and a central AC. Now, sometimes people have concerns with the stairs in these units, but if you have limited mobility, you don't have to worry because you got this newly installed chairlift that can be included in the purchase. So down the lower level, you have your laundry room with a door to get to the storage units. You have a 2-piece bathroom, and then you've got this large 3rd bedroom with a walk-in closet. It's perfect for the kids or perfect for when you have guests. There's also some built-in cupboards that they would like to leave. Now, if you love to be outside, you're really going to enjoy the spot just outside the door. You have a covered area, there's solar lights, you got a spot for some chairs, you can hang out with some friends. Now, the Strata fee does cover your heat and your hot water, so all you have to do is pay for your electricity. If you'd like some more information, reach out to your realtor, or better yet, give somebody from our office a call. We're happy to help.